Hello, audience. Angie here had a little too much fun at the Christmas party and lost her voice. However, she still has some premises she'd like to work out. So I will be delivering these jokes on Angie's behalf while she stands and gives energy. All right, let's get into it. I'm PMSing right now. Don't worry, I won't talk about it for long. I can tell when I'm PMSing because I catch myself saying phrases like, "I don't appreciate how you said that." I pick a lot of fights when I'm PMSing, so much so that I have to start warning my friends. I'm starting to sound like a guy who's about to change into a werewolf in public. I turn to the people around me and say, "You're going to want to take a step back. Get out of here for your own good." You put you, Y-O-U-R-E, it's just your. Sorry. All right. I drink instant coffee every morning. Some people think that's gross, but I can't tell the difference between good and bad coffee. I just drink it to be able to work 12 hours a day. I like coffee the same way I like balls in my mouth. I don't, but I do it to get the job done. It's not easy being a bisexual, half-black woman in Los Angeles. But somehow I manage. I know I don't look black because people tell me. I get it. I'm ethnic in the same way Urban Outfitters is urban.
All right, thank you very much.
Angie Stroud, everybody!